What is the internet? With so many people living all across the world, it's amazing how connected we can be. We can communicate with family and friends that live near and far. We can do business with others without being in the same place. We can play games with people we've never met. We can learn and share knowledge, and so much more. All of these scenarios are made possible by the internet. The internet is a massive global network connecting computers all across the world. Let's look more closely at what that means and how you can be a part of it. Any group of devices that are connected to each other forms a network. Just like a network of humans, where one person has a connection to someone else through a mutual friend, a computer network forms connections between a group of devices. Any device within a network has a way to communicate with any other device within the same network. There are networks like these connecting devices in cities and neighborhoods across the world. These connections can be physical, using wires, or even connections that use wireless technology. All of these networks are then connected together to form a single, massive network that we call the internet. When you go online or connect to the internet, you join this network and have access to all the information that exists online. From sending emails to searching for information or video chatting with a friend, there are a lot of things you can do online.